News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Nishit Kumar, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we'll be discussing about vacancies in the National Museum, New Delhi, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, NTPC Limited, Union Public Service Commission, Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune, and National Institute of Plant Genome Research, New Delhi. National Museum, New Delhi invites applications for one post of Museum Preparator, Manuscripts Repair by promotion or transfer on deputation, failing which by direct recruitment in the National Museum, New Delhi, the subordinate office under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Applications must reach through proper channel within 60 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the Employment News. For details, that is, essential qualifications, experience, eligibility, age limit, biodata, or curriculum vitae, proforma, etc., visit the National Museum website www.nationalmuseumindia.gov.in. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, a Government of India undertaking, invites applications for 1-year Marine Engineering Pre-Sea Training course for session March 2022. For more information regarding eligibility, fee and application format, etc., please visit the website www.grse.in. Corrigendum, addendum, updates or information related to engagement process of training courses would be updated only on GRSE website. NTPC Limited is India's largest integrated energy company with installed capacity of 67,907 megawatt and has presence in the entire value chain of the power generation business. Commensurate with our country's growth challenges, NTPC has embarked upon an ambitious plan to attain a total installed capacity of 130 gigawatt by 2032. NTPC is looking for 10 assistant law officers for its projects and stations. The candidates need to apply in online mode in NTPC for the post of assistant law officer on the website careers.ntpc.co.in or visit career section at www.ntpc.co.in. with their Common Law Admission Test 2021 admit card number. No other mode of application shall be accepted. Interested and eligible candidates should go through the full text of the advertisement while applying for the post. NTPC reserves the right to cancel, restrict, enlarge, modify, alter the recruitment process if need so arises without issuing any further notice or assigning any reason whatsoever. Posting shall be at any of the units, projects, joint ventures or subsidiaries of NTPC Limited. All postings are transferable at the sole discretion. In case of any ambiguity or dispute arising on account of interpretation in versions other than English version given in the website careers.ntpc.co.in will prevail. National Institute of Immunology invites applications from eligible candidates for its PhD program. Cutting-edge research at the National Institute of Immunology encompasses broad interdisciplinary areas of immunology, infectious and chronic disease biology, molecular and cellular biology, chemical biology, structural biology, and computational biology. Candidates should submit their applications through the National Institute of Immunology online application portal only. The details of the application process are available at www.nii.res.in. Online application facility will be available at the National Institute of Immunology website from the 24th of December 2021 to 18th of January 2022. For technical queries regarding NII online admission portal, please contact the helpline number 022-6250-7725. Email phdadm2022@nii.ac.in. For queries regarding the eligibility criteria or other academic matters, please contact 011-2671-7101, 011-2670-3662, or 011-2670-3762 or email at academic2022@nii.ac.in. Next is a vacancy circular by the Union Public Service Commission. It is proposed to fill up 2 vacancies of staff car driver grade 1 in the office of the Union Public Service Commission on deputation basis. The details like general conditions, eligibility criteria, age limit, proforma of application form, etc. are available on the website of the UPSC, that is www.upsc.gov.in. Interested and eligible officials may send their applications in the prescribed pro forma along with copies of the APARs for the last 5 years duly attested on each page by an officer not below the rank of an Under-Secretary to the Government of India, cadre clearance and vigilance clearance through proper channel within 45 days from the date of advertisement of this vacancy in the Employment News. The candidates must also apply online on the website of UPSC, that is www.upsc.gov.in. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents will not be entertained. Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune, established in 1930 by the Servants of India Society, is the oldest research and training institute in economics in the country. It is dedicated to research into the socio-economic dimensions of the Indian society and carries forward the legacy of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who founded the Servants of India Society in 1905 with a view to promote education and develop capabilities among Indians for the governance of the nation and after it had attained its political independence. The institute is registered under the Society's Registration Act 1860 and the Bombay Public Trusts Act 1950. Over the decades, the institute has established strong credentials in empirical and analytical research. In recognition of its contribution to higher learning and research in economics, the institute was awarded the status of institution deemed to be a university in 1993. The primary objective of the institute is to conduct research in the socio-economic dimensions of the Indian society and impart training to researchers in this domain. The thrust areas of research at the institute are agricultural economics, rural development and cooperation, population studies, input-output studies for planning and development, monetary economics and finance, public economics, international economics, among others. Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics is renowned for its initiatives in qualitative research in diverse areas of economic theory and practice. The institute is credited with pioneering contributions by way of surveys, research, informed debate, analysis and critique, which have shaped public discourse on major socio-economic initiatives and in formulating economic plans at the regional level in the state of Maharashtra as well as at the national level. Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics invites applications from eligible candidates for appointment of one post of assistant professor on regular basis under the Population Research Centre, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, till the continuation of the PRC scheme. For further details on eligibility criteria, pay, application form, etc., visit www.gipe.ac.in. National Institute of Plant Genome Research, New Delhi, is an autonomous research institution funded by the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, to pursue research on various aspects of plant genomics. The institute is also in the process of establishing National Institute of Plant Genome Research Translational Centre at BIBCOL, Bulandshahr, UP, and Biotech Science Cluster, NCR, Faridabad, Haryana. The National Institute of Plant Genome Research invites applications from the Indian citizens for filling up the following vacant posts on direct recruitment basis. 1 post of Scientist 6, 1 post of Scientist 5, 1 post of Scientist 4, 1 post of Scientist 3, 1 post of Scientist 2, 1 post of Senior Technical Officer, 1 post of Technical Officer, 1 post of Technician 1, 1 post of Technician 2, and 1 post of Section Officer. The form is to be filled and submitted online only, along with required documents uploaded in the given format. No hard copies will be accepted. The eligible and interested candidates are required to apply online in the application format and detailed information available on the website www.nipgr.ac.in. The online application should reach within 30 days from the publication of this advertisement. Information about these vacancies has been published in the Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We'll meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on our mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.